Crash course on Mexican beaches, an overview of the stunning beaches and coastal destinations in Mexico, including popular activities and attractions. Mexico is renowned for its breathtaking beaches and coastal destinations, offering visitors a paradise-like experience with their pristine shores, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a combination of both, Mexico's beaches have something for everyone. In this crash course, we will explore the stunning Mexican beaches, delve into popular activities and attractions, and highlight the top 12 must-visit beach destinations in the country. Mexico boasts a diverse range of coastal landscapes, from powdery white sand beaches to rugged cliffs and hidden coves. Each beach has its own unique charm and character, providing a delightful escape from the bustling city life. Let's embark on a journey to discover the magic of Mexican beaches. 1. Cancun. Cancun is a world-renowned beach destination located on the northeastern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. With its pristine white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant nightlife, Cancun offers a perfect blend of relaxation and entertainment. Visitors can indulge in a variety of water sports, explore the nearby Mayan ruins, or simply bask in the sun while enjoying the stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. 2. Playa del Carmen. Just south of Cancun lies Playa del Carmen, a lively beach town known for its vibrant atmosphere and stunning coastline. Playa del Carmen offers an array of activities, including snorkeling and diving in the nearby coral reefs, exploring the famous Fifth Avenue filled with shops and restaurants, or taking a ferry to the picturesque island of Cozumel. 3. Tulum. Tulum is a unique beach destination that combines ancient history with natural beauty. The ruins of the ancient Mayan city overlook the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea, creating a breathtaking backdrop. Visitors can explore the archaeological site, relax on the pristine beaches, or swim in the cenotes, natural sinkholes with crystal clear waters. 4. Puerto Vallarta. Located on the Pacific coast, Puerto Vallarta is a charming beach town renowned for its picturesque sunsets and vibrant culture. The city's Malecón, a lively boardwalk, offers stunning ocean views along with street performers, shops, and art galleries. Puerto Vallarta is also a gateway to the nearby Marietas Islands, home to hidden beaches and diverse marine life. 5. Playa de Mazunta. Playa de Mazunta, nestled on the Oaxacan coast, is a hidden gem known for its unspoiled beauty and relaxed ambience. This laid-back beach village offers a tranquil escape, where visitors can enjoy long walks on the beach, observe sea turtles in their natural habitat, or visit the National Mexican Turtle Center. 6. Playa Escondida. As its name suggests, Playa Escondida, or Hidden Beach, is a secluded paradise located within the Marietas Islands. Accessible only by swimming or kayaking through a cave, this hidden gem offers a breathtaking landscape of a secluded beach nestled inside a collapsed volcanic crater. 7. Los Cabos. Los Cabos is a premier beach destination located at the southern tip of the Baja California Peninsula. With its dramatic desert landscapes, golden beaches, and luxury resorts, Los Cabos attracts visitors seeking relaxation and indulgence. The area is also famous for its world-class golf courses and vibrant nightlife. 8. Puerto Escondido. Puerto Escondido, situated on the Pacific coast of Oaxaca, is a surfer's paradise known for its powerful waves. The town's Playa Zicatela is famous for its impressive pipeline waves, attracting surfers from around the world. Besides surfing, visitors can also enjoy the laid-back atmosphere, explore nearby lagoons, or release baby sea turtles into the ocean. 9. Isla Mujeres. Just a short ferry ride from Cancun, Isla Mujeres is a charming island paradise known for its pristine beaches and turquoise waters. The island offers a more relaxed and intimate atmosphere compared to the bustling Cancun. Visitors can explore the colorful downtown area, rent a golf cart to tour the island, snorkel in the coral reefs, or swim with whale sharks during their migration season. 10. Cozumel. Cozumel is a popular cruise ship destination and one of the top diving spots in the world. Located off the eastern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, this stunning island is surrounded by vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Snorkelers and scuba divers can explore the famous Palancar Reef, while beachgoers can relax on the sandy shores and enjoy the warm Caribbean sun. 11. Sayulita. Sayulita, a vibrant beach town on the Riviera Nayarit, has become a favorite among surfers and bohemian travelers. The town's relaxed atmosphere, colorful streets, and beautiful beaches create a laid-back and welcoming vibe. Visitors can try their hand at surfing, shop for local handicrafts in the bustling market, or simply unwind on the picturesque Playa Sayulita. 12. Playa La Ropa. Playa La Ropa, located in Zihuatanejo, is a stunning beach known for its soft golden sand and calm waters. The beach offers a tranquil escape, away from the crowds of more popular tourist destinations. Visitors can enjoy water activities such as kayaking and paddleboarding, savor fresh seafood in beachfront restaurants, or take a boat trip to nearby secluded coves. Mexican beaches are not just about sunbathing and swimming. They offer a wide range of activities and attractions to cater to different interests. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural experiences, Mexico's coastal destinations have it all. In summary, Mexican beaches offer a tropical paradise with their breathtaking beauty, warm waters, and diverse marine life. From the bustling shores of Cancun to the tranquil beaches of Sayulita, each destination has its own unique charm and attractions. Whether you're a sun seeker, an adventurer, or a culture enthusiast, Mexico's beaches have something to offer everyone. Now, let's capture the essence of Mexican beaches through a poem. Poem, A Song of Mexican Beaches. Beneath the golden sun's embrace, where azure waters kiss the shore, a realm of beauty and solace, Mexican beaches we adore. Cancun's shores, a vibrant thrill, where laughter dances with the waves. In paradise, our hearts are filled, as memories become enclaves. Puerto Vallarta, a coastal gem, sunsets painting the sky with grace. Marieta's islands beckon us to secret beaches, a hidden embrace. In Playa Escondida's hidden cove, a world of wonder comes alive. Within a volcanic crater's heart, a secret beach, where dreams survive. Puerto Escondido, surfer's delight, where waves crash with mighty might. Laid-back vibes and coastal bliss, a haven for seekers of endless flight. Cozumel's reefs, a diver's paradise, teeming with life, colors abound. From vibrant corals to elusive fish, an underwater world, truly profound. Playa La Ropa, a haven of serenity, soft sands and calm waters embrace. Sunsets painting the sky with hues, a tranquil haven, a timeless grace. Mexican beaches, enchanting and grand, each with a story, a song to tell. From coast to coast, they grace the land, where memories are made, forever dwell. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Mexico has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Mexico, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.